Well, good morning. Goldie and I are going to go for a walk. We do this every morning. First off, though, I got to take my supplements. Got my CalMag here. Got a small amount of CalMag in the bottle. Glass here. And any supplements. I take my D3, K2. Let's see, I got some cod liver oil here, some multi-collagen. Yeah, I also have, cod liver, D3, K2, multi-collagen. I actually take this in a capsule, and I also put it in my coffee, so I really push that up. And I have my vitamin C. And I always do a small multivitamin from Dr. Eric Berg, because it's all vegetables and fruit and stuff that he uses for that, so it's really, anyways, here we go. Get the rest of that down. And Goldie is at my feet going, come on, Mom, you said we were going to go for a walk. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are, over there by the door. Yes, we will. I know. Awesome. So, let's get your harness on. Find a place to put this phone so that we can... Yeah, see? Look at here, Goldie. You're front and center. Don't you look pretty, huh? Yeah, you ready? Up, up. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. You sweetheart. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Okay. So, all right. And off we go. Bye.